guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being so consistent. So in today's video, I am still at the orphanage here in Grand Bassa, and we're about to prepare Greater Dumboy, and we're also cooking beans for the children. Well, I'm just going in the kitchen right now. I went in the market, so my uncle and his friend donated 2 bags of rice, which was really good. So I just went in the market. I bought bunny, I bought chicken feet to add to the soup, and then I bought things for the Greater Dumboy as well, and I was able to tour the market. Have you seen the market video? If you want to see the market video, the link is in the description box. So right now I'm mentally preparing for the smoke. The smoke is really smoking, trust me. The smoke is really smoking. Like, look, this is the kitchen, and the women are in the kitchen, and I'm in my lapa. Don't care about fashion on this side. I'm going to get it prepared. I'm making it prepare. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. You know, I used to cook on woods at my grandpa's house in Caldwell, but it was not this deep. Yeah. But I ain't really cooked it. So now I just have water. Oh, we have farms here. We have farms. We used to put so when we leave school, we'll go boil cassava. We'll then put butter in cassava. So I need to really used to be doing it with.
What I want back?
Put the wood there.
Put it where on the. I bought this back in the so put it back.
Split these beans. Hello, ma. That doing your wall?
Yeah, model wall. I know how big.
I was not born like that.
You are not born. So we went in, and when they got here, they said, "What can I play this so?" I said, "I offer them when the other part of them." They explained that here. It didn't have both here. They want to offer them. So one African car with them. He said, "They're not bullshit speaking. Children of parents, some are a piano, and the people can keep it. What they call orphanage." So he said, "But what the children?" I said, "So when I went up under the bed, so when we were running, the other kids there, everybody said, oh, she had a cut here." So when the car saw the cut, he said, "Ma, bring her, let me wash her face." He was the medic with them. So he said, "Bring my bag, wash her face, rub alcohol, and give her tablet." Then I forgot I was working at the mansion, Twin Taylor's administration. I forgot. I even know how my kid pass, the SSS security kid pass, everything. I know how it was connected to the other part. Okay. He said, "Oh, you are working at the mansion?" I said, "Ever since." I said, "Ever since I left from there, but then I was thinking, how come?" He said, "Anyway, we're not here for that." Then that guy said, "Oh man, I know you." And you know, during that time when I said I know you, I want not good. I said, "Where you know me from?" He said, "In the process." I said, "How?" He said, "You went for vacation and your auntie jailed me and then you released me." And my heart came down. I said, "I can't even remember." He said, "Yeah. You who can do good, you can quicker forget." But I said, then the other guy said, they came on record said, "Yeah, I get them food. They were too dirty. I get them clothes and all." So the group that are here now, that the worst group among the fighting group, they are wicked. But we remain here because the other people on their way coming. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, go to Tara anytime. Yeah. So how we managed to be there. Everybody ran away from Oya where they only people that were in the for the helpers. They used to bring food and all kind of stuff. And the other guy said, one of the girls, I said, you come to kill me now. You came to fight war, you came to look for a woman, and why you can die for?
Like I saw it?
Yeah. What is it?
Like I saw it. We still in the market, so oh, that body got out. So you're beating in one straight, yeah?
Yeah. Yo,
You got raising chicken yet?
Yes.
yeah. We bring the car so we can get something like one more single trip, something like portrait. That chicken all over the place, but nowhere to keep it.
Get a pot.
That kitchen is something else, y'all. But it's going good. So the cassava, the beans is boiling. They're cooking split. They're cooking, and Hannah forgot to speak English. So they're cooking split peas, and the dumboy, the cassava, they have it already. So we're just about to beat it. I think I'll just advocate for us to beat it outside so that I can be able to assist them, because the smoke is really giving me a hard time. Yeah. So my Cynthia is removing the cassava bag because it's really, really hard. Our chief cook here. So my Cynthia, I don't want to have the good dumboy. I don't want to have the dumboy. And you come and beat the cassava.
Yeah.
And you put in this.
I'll put my phone in.
You put your phone in.
You ready?
I'm still confused.
Oh, I'll come to where you.
I am. Nah, I can take it, right? Thank you for my camera. What your name?
My name is Joe.
Joe? Show the camera. Wave now.
Toma tudo.
I will go preaching there so bad. But the pastor and the president, how old are you? Pastor, man, if we are members to vote for the president not doing well.
Okay.
You hear me? So you start preaching the wall, go. You already preaching what the dumboy say. Pastor, you making me afraid of you. The vessel on the fire. The chicken not done, like the chicken on the steam. Real Bassa begin. Real Bassa Dumboy.
Yeah, Bassa Dumboy.
Hey, wet and fun. But I shrimp. You see that me? Yo, I went to sleep. I woke up. The dumboy, the soup, everything. And I was really exhausted. So let us see the dumboy finally we're about to eat. Thank you. Look at this one. From the soup to the dumboy is there. This is real Bassa Dumboy. I mean, since we came, this is the real Bassa Dumboy we're eating. Swallow it. Can you just want to say? That's all I'm sweet. Anyway, this is ready to hear my people. I still corrected. See, I can hear them. The best dumboy I swallow in here. I think they can really cook. It's really nice. Yeah, bye bye for now. Me ready to swallow the dumboy. So the children ate the split peas beans, and I chose not to record them. Okay guys, so thank you all so much for following all the content I created about this orphanage in Harlansville community, Grand Bassa. I am hoping that some of the videos really touch your heart and you're able to reach out to these kids to help impact their lives. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you all for being so consistent. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notifications bell. I don't even know how I look right now, but it's all part of the content creation journey. So bye bye. I'm exhausted. I'm going to sleep.